Oh, so this is place of Wodu.
In Wodu, 4 things are
Major.
First one is washing the face.
Washing the
Whole
face.
face.
Whole face.
Hanbon.
Hanbon.
Second thing is washing elbow, the hands
Yes.
to the elbow.
Yes.
Minimum 1. And then we have to do touch. We have to touch our head after we make it wet. Okay. And then wash our leg to the heel until heel. You know? This is the measure of wudu. If you don't have time, you're busy, then you just do like wudu like this. But wudu,
If you have time?
Yeah, if we have time and we want to do complete wudu, then at first we will wash our hand.
Hand.
Okay.
Yes.
Then take some water and do gargle. 3 more.
3 more.
Then take again water, enter into our nose, and by our second hand, left hand, we do like this.
3 times.
3 times. And we will wash our face 3 times, whole face. From here to the cheek,
Yes.
and from here to the hair. Total face. After finishing face, we will wash our hands. 3 more.
3 more.
After finishing that, we will take water and throw. And this is our weighty hand, isn't it? Then we do masa. It's called masa. Move again.
Move.
Then put the shahada, finger of shahada. Okay? And you look, follow me. Okay? Yes. Then this thumb up. Okay?
Yes. Oh.
Wash our legs,
Legs?
three times.
3 times.
Okay?
I
When we
think.
start,
Yes, I think I don't remember. Okay, let's do it step by step.
Yeah.
Okay. So first is clean my hands.
yeah. Okay. Then take some water
Take some water.
and do gargle. Okay?
Okay.
Then we will take some water, put inside of the nose. After entering the water,
Like this. Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
3 times, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we will wash our face 3 times.
Face time.
Now we will take water like this. Follow me
Oh.
and do.
Oh, not easy.
Yes. Start from here and then, okay? Follow me again. One more time. 3 more. Okay. And then.
Well, left hand.
Yes. Both of the side, okay? Both of the side.
Both outside.
Okay. If some of the place is dry, wudu will be incorrect. That's why we have to carefully. We have to make it weighty. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The all parts of
all
arms.
parts, okay?
Face, arms,
Exactly.
every part.
Major important parts are face and both hand. This is not wash. This is for only touch, you know. And leg also. Okay?
Leg also. Wow.
So we will take some water. Okay, throw. Okay, throw. Okay. Do like this. Follow me. Okay. Then come back with your. Yes. Okay. Come back. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now we will put our shahada.
Shahada.
Okay. And both of the hand we will make around. Okay. Yeah. Somebody said okay, touching also. Somebody touching the neck. Somebody don't touch. Okay.
Okay.
It's matter. We finish.
Finish.
Just we will wash.
Wash. Legs.
Okay. Legs. This is very easy.
Yes, it's
Just,
easy.
But when we wash the leg, we will do hilal like this. Okay, then the water will reach to each of the parts and each of the corners, you know, and our part will be not dry. Okay, 3 more. Okay, you are doing very good.
Thank you.
Really, left, yeah, and it can be by your left hand because this is
Left hand.
yeah. Islam is easy, you know.
Oh, yeah, easy.
Okay. Now, if you can see to the sky, look to the sky, then look to the sky and do like this. Ashhadu an la ilaha.
Ashhadu an la ilaha
Like this. Ashhadu an la ilaha
illallah
wa ashhadu anna
wa ashhadu anna
Muhammadan
Rasulullah.
This is kalima shahada.
Yes,
If
shahada.
you read this, then Allah will open the 8 doors of Jannah for you.
Oh,
This is fadilat.
Jannah, paradise.
Jannah, paradise. Okay, our wuzu is finished.
Oh, I feel really
We are now
clean. A very clean
clean
Muslim.
and we can do worship, do anything. Okay.
Oh, I think Muslims are very clean. Every people so clean. Wash every day 5 times.
Yeah, 5
Actually,
times.
people wash 1 or 2 times in a day, but Muslims wash 5 times.
5 times minimum.
Wow, 대박.